Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. How are you guys? I hope you are doing really very well. My name is Muhammad Asim and this is day 1 of 90 days English speaking challenge. So, first of all, I want to thank all of you for your good reaction, for your appreciation and for such a good feedback. Believe me, it really means a lot to me. And so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Right now I am at top of Masjid Nabi upon its roof, as you can see, and now it's around 6:30 p.m. So first of all, I wanna clear something. There is a confusion, so let me clear it. Some people were thinking that I am gonna teach them or gonna teach them how to speak English fluently in 90 days. So it's not like that. I am not a teacher. I am also a student. I am just a beginner, and it's just a beginning of my journey. So I am just starting my journey, starting my series to be a fluent speaker. So I am not gonna teach anybody, nor you, neither you nor someone else. So I am just a student, and the reason that I started this journey online instead of offline, because if someone wants to be part of my journey, or so if someone wanna join me, so he can join me. So many people were asking me that how are you learning and what is your strategy, how will you learn in 90 days, and they were asking me to share my plan to them. So whoever wanna join me and be a part of my journey, so I will leave my number, my WhatsApp number in the description. So there he will be, inshallah, and he can contact me on WhatsApp number. And after that, if he wanna be part of my journey, so I will add, inshallah, I will add him in a WhatsApp group. And after that, I will send him my total complete plan. Also I will send him daily and weekly tasks. And if there is enough time, so also inshallah we will make practice to every day, inshallah, in English. So we will practice in English, inshallah, in that group. So this is how you can join me, and you can be a part of this journey, and you can participate in this challenge. But there is a condition. This plan and this joining is not for everybody. It's not for all people. There are some conditions and terms. The first condition is that if you wanna join me and be a part of me, then please you should be very strictful and also very serious about this. If you are not serious about learning English, then please forgive me and sorry for that. The second condition of joining me and being a part of me is that please never ever skip any day. Never ever skip any day, because it's very important. And also be consistent, because as you know, consistency is the key of success. So if you are not consistent, you are not gonna learn anything. So please, if you are if you want to join me, be consistent. Also the last thing, that I don't want any fake excuses. There are some people, I'm not talking about you guys, there are some people that make fake excuses not to learn anything. So please don't do it. And this is the way that you can join me and you can be a part of my journey, and you can participate in this challenge. So I hope my talk and everything is clear. And the last thing is that, as you know, it's day 1, so I know that I made many mistakes. There are several mistakes that I made in this video. So I hope that you guys will forgive me and don't expect me don't expect from me too much. It's just day one, so I don't think that I will rock and you guys will be shocked. It's not like that. I am just a beginner. So I hope everything is clear, and inshallah we will meet you soon. Today, tomorrow, inshallah, will be day 2, inshallah. So see you next time in the next video. So be careful. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.